Today I'm in Cyprus and we are making something very special, Flaounes. These golden, cheesy, slightly sweet, slightly savory pastries only appears at Easter, which basically means if you miss them, you wait a whole year. I came all the way to Tochni tavern to meet Neofitos, a high-level chef and hopefully a very patient teacher.
Yes. No.
No. Oh, sorry.
Don't ruin everything.
Because today he's showing me every single step. Flaounes are packed with Cypriot cheese, herbs, raisins, yes, raisins, don't panic, and many other ingredients. So apron on, appetite high, this is a short spoon from local hearts to the table. We will make flaounes,
Yes.
a typical traditional dish from the Cypriot Easter. So I'm so excited to taste it. I have never tried it before. So let's see what these flaounes are all about.
I wash the meat,
Okay?
but you must put it like that to go outside the water.
Fresh mint goes in first, and we are drying it a bit because we want the flavor, not the extra moisture. You can already smell it, super fresh and super Cypriot. And then, raisins. I know. Cheese and raisins sounds suspicious, but trust me, this is a secret. This is sesame seeds.
Yes, the sesame.
Okay.
We wash
Okay.
and boiling.
Ah, you boil.
Yes.
Why do you boil it? To make it more, I don't know.
We don't boiling.
Yes?
They cook the flauna.
Okay.
After it's over, she going out. It don't stay in the puff.
In the dough.
Yeah, in the dough. 5-6 minutes, boil the water, and after you wash and make cold water, and you keep it in the fridge.
Fantastic. What do you want me to do?
Just the leaf, 3 pieces.
3 pieces of the leaf. Okay, good. And what a privilege, because we have a professional here teaching me how to make them.
Hopefully you don't make disasters.
I hope he will be happy with my help.
2 hours later.
It's not only this one, they have 4 containers.
What? 4 containers! We are making flaounes for 100 people, can you imagine? But this is actually the beauty of it, because you are making it with your hands. You could use a machine, but you are doing it with your hands, which is good. So it has your energy, the flaounes, right?
It's fantastic.
Ah, approved.
No.
Approved by
you
the
have to be
experts.
faster.
Yes. Sorry, chef. How many flaounes do you do during the Easter time in total?
We do it here today, I think it's about 200.
What? I don't know how big they are, but 200, wow, that's a lot of work.
And Easter we make flauners, a traditional bread.
Ah, when do you eat the flaounes? Do you eat it for lunch, for breakfast?
Anytime.
Anytime.
For breakfast,
Yes?
tea, coffee,
Ah,
divania,
oh my God, the sivania burns everything.
it killing everything.
It kills everything, the sivania.
Arpamnya. Wait, my friend, wait. Wait. Cheers.
Salute. It's really nice.
What is that? Spree,
Sprite, butter. It's vegetable butter.
like margarine.
No, margarine different. Margarine, first of all, the color is yellow. This is white. No good food for it. And also the mixer, please. Here.
Palm oil, vegetable oil, sunflower, suitable for baking, frying, and roasting. Whole mahleb.
This is the spice for. We put in the flauna, mastica, and mehlebi.
Mastica is a natural resin from the tree sap, super aromatic, almost piney. And mehleve is a spice made from wild cherry seeds, warm, sweet, and slightly nutty. Together, they give flaounes that unmistakably Easter flavor. Smells really nice.
Yes. No.
No. Oh, sorry.
Don't ruin everything.
Because if you put it too much,
Yes?
you can't do it.
Okay. I almost ruined everything. You ruined it.
The sugar.
Flour? Everything?
Yes.
Now Neofitos is preparing the sponge. This is what will make our flaounes rise and get nice and fluffy.
Always I use the vinegar in the egg because you put the vinegar in the egg, they stop to smell egg.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that's a good trick.
Always, all my
Always.
recipes.
Yes.
If I make sweet or everything, I use the vinegar.
Even in the salty ones, if you make, I don't know, a quiche or something.
Anything you put the egg
Yeah.
inside, with all little vinegar.
Otherwise, it will smell like eggs, and that's something that Dino doesn't like it. So we add white vinegar. Can I smell? Coca-Cola.
Fai me hola. See, very little vinegar.
Yes. So while the dough is working hard in the machine, because yes, you know, we are making flaounes for basically the whole village, we are over here mixing the filling. Cheese goes in first, and we are using two traditional ones, salty halloumi and soft anari. Then comes the dry mint, the raisins, and everything starts smelling like Easter in Cyprus. And honestly, this is the fun part. Time to start shaping our flaounes.
But not here.
Not
down.
here, down.
Then this one.
Okay, and down, puff. Good. Here?
Yes.
I tried.
Like pizza.
The pizza. Good. Good, okay?
Yes.
And now down.
Yes. Bravo.
Brava. All right, now I'm patting down the sesame seeds onto the dough so they actually stick. And yes, I'm taking this very seriously. We don't want sesame seeds escaping. Then we add the filling, shaped into these perfect little balls right in the center. And suddenly they are starting to look like real flaounes. Okay?
Fantastic.
Brava!
Bravissimo.
Bravissima! Now I'm feeling much more confident, so I just decided to keep making flaounes. I'm actually getting a good speed going, and they are starting to look surprisingly nice. I think I might be hired for the village next year. So the chef left me alone in the kitchen, so this means that he trusts me. I hope. They're looking good. It's so easy to make and so fun. And now some sesame seeds.
Yes, the sesame in the.
In the center.
Yes. Okay.
Voila!
Take a can with me.
We go to the oven to cook our beautiful flour. Sorry. Wow!
45 minutes.
In 45 minutes,
Yes.
and then it will be ready, crunchy.
Yes.
Okay, let's go and have a Cyprus coffee in the meantime while we wait. Let's go. Let's go.
It's ready now.
It's ready? Wow!
Careful, it's very hot. Too hot, be careful.
Ah!
Go
Wow!
outside.
Outside, we go outside.
Yes.
Wow!
All right. Bravo.
And now is the moment to taste the flaounes. Let's go there. Okay, it's still warm from the oven. Oh my god, wow! I wanna get the part with the cheese. Look at this. You can smell the mint, the cheese, the raisins. It's so fluffy inside. Look at this. Wow. Let's taste the flauna with this wonderful view to Tochni village. Tastes amazing. So good. This is something that you guys should definitely try if you come to Cyprus during Easter. So let me know in the comments if you ever try flaounes in your life, if you ever been to Cyprus, and what should I try next in this beautiful country. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next episode of Vanita Ventures. Bye!